y'all, it's Kelsey Janay. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm Kelsey. I'm a pole dancer and pole instructor. And here on my YouTube channel, I talk about all things pole. I give you guys tips, tricks, tutorials, and pretty much whatever else I feel like. But today we are going to be getting into our cross knee layback. Now, if you're brand new to pole dancing, this is one of those moves that is really going to help you get more comfortable with being upside down. And it's also an essential trick to do that's going to help you transition into other tricks and shapes. And when you first learn your layback, it does present a mental challenge, so it's really going to challenge you to work on a brand new skill set, and it's just going to add another move to your bag of tricks. Now, everything we're going to talk about today is going to come from these two books, Pole Anatomy and Strength and Conditioning for Pole, both by Neola Wilby. I love these books because they really help you to understand the science behind your body and what it's doing when you're pole dancing in each and every trick that you work on. So I highly recommend these two books, especially if you're an instructor. Definitely tap into these books because they will help you to just become more knowledgeable about the body and how to really break movements down for your students. And of course, if you're brand new to pole dancing, this will help you so much as well. So I will leave both of them linked down below in the description box so you can check them out for yourself. Now, before we get into this video, definitely make sure you're subscribed because I don't want you to miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And if you're interested in my other offerings or other exclusive content, you can head over to my website janayway.com or head over to Patreon and join me over there. And yeah, I think that's it. So let's go ahead and get into this video. So first, let's talk about what's happening in your body when you do the cross knee layback. The key thing we want to focus on with this movement is the top knee positioning. The top leg is externally rotated and the knee is flexed. The adductors are working to bring the leg towards the midline of the body and the pole, but the hamstrings are also working to keep the knee flexed around the pole, and the bottom leg helps to hold the top leg in place. And for this tutorial, we are going to be using the outside hand to help assist the knee from extending. So hopefully you can kind of see this picture here, but we really want to be mindful that we're not solely focusing on that outside hand to keep our knee flexed around the pole. The goal is to create active engagement here, so you really want to practice on pulling that knee into the pole to create that secure grip in your layback. The outside hand really is just there to assist. So now that we've broken down what's going on in your body when you do your cross knee layback, let's go ahead and get on the pole and give it a try. The first thing I'm going to do is clean off the pole with some rubbing alcohol and then throw on some dry hands just so I don't slip off the pole. Starting from the floor, I'm going to bring my hands to the pole so I can pull up into a pole sit. I'm going to bend the top leg and bring that knee to the pole, and once it's there, I'm going to grab that top foot with my outside hand and really start to press that bottom leg up so I can start to lay back. So as you can see, that top knee is flexed around the pole, my outside hand is providing assistance, that bottom leg is pressing up, and then once I'm ready, I will sit up, bring my hands to the pole, and go back down the same way I came up. Take your time, with no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, with no rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a money. I just smoke already, so bold in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting, yeah. But I let my guard down for you. Shut up, put my guard down for you. Shut up, be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a mother. No crib for a come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pen size, cause I'm trying to break it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a man. Now getting into our first progression, we're gonna add a climb. So I'm going into a forearm climb, just going up once, and then I'm gonna pull up and pull myself into that pole sit and then set up for the layback. That top knee bends so I can bring it towards the pole. Bottom leg is pressing up. That outside hand is grabbing that top foot to make sure you're secure, and then just laying back. Now, one thing I want to stress is to really take your time here. You don't have to rush, really get comfortable with what this movement feels like, and then you can start doing small things like bending that bottom leg to create new shapes and different movements.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm on one. I'm a dog, I'm on one. I can smoke no happy so hard in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty fading, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's so rush?
Now for a final progression, we are gonna do this trick on spin. So going into spin, I'm gonna take my time and walk around the pole. Then when I'm ready, I'm gonna go into one climb. Again, not going too fast because I don't wanna get too dizzy. And then when I'm ready, I'm gonna pull up into my pole sit and take my time transitioning into that layback. I know spin can be a little bit scary, but just take your time, breathe, and allow yourself to feel what this movement feels like in this position.
One of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it, but I let my guard down to you. Said I'll put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time. I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a
Alright y'all, that is gonna wrap it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and comment down below if you would like to see more videos like this. As always, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing, and make sure you're following me on Instagram at Janay so we can always stay connected. And if you're interested in one-on-one lessons, coaching, or other exclusive content, head over to my website, janayway.com, or head over to Patreon and join me over there. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.